The average man is a prisoner of his own history. He reacts to the world using a software update from 5 years ago. He seeks comfort. The strategic thinker seeks utility. To become the elite version of yourself, you must first commit a quiet, internal execution. The person you were yesterday is a liability. In the next few minutes, we dismantle the amateur and install the architect. Secret 1. The law of strategic isolation. Behavioral science calls this cognitive decoupling. In 1504, Julius II became pope not through prayer, but through the cold calculation of his rival's weaknesses. He detached his feelings to secure power. Look at Steve Jobs in 1997. He didn't fix the old Apple, he killed it. Identify your anchors. Cut them. Secret 2. Frame control. When Scipio Africanus faced Hannibal, he didn't just fight, he moved the battlefield. He dictated the terms. In modern boardrooms, the most powerful person is the one who creates a psychological vacuum. Silence is a weapon. Practice the 4-second pause. Let them fill the silence with their own doubt. Secret 3. The identity pivot. Evolution requires the death of tradition. During the Meiji Restoration, Japan didn't just grow, it reinvented its soul. If your environment reflects the man you were, you are already stagnant. Audit your circle. Audit your space. Evolution is not a celebratory event. It is a clinical necessity. Observe your impulses. Discipline your reactions. Control the frame. This is the Triumph Lab.